Whatever your business may be, your infrastructure matters. Whether it's massive machinery or a small item, space matters. And a better organized space nurtures greater success. Here's a way to better manage your space, time, and security. Shooter, a pioneer in providing an innovative storage solution. Shooter's space optimization solution can cater to the needs of a hospital, pharmacy, industry, factory, banks and financial institutions, educational institutions, or household. Shooter offers efficient hospital storage solutions. Shooter supplies pharmacy solution, stores and its automation, medical records, OT storage, emergency kit, medication trolleys, and filing cabinets. Now, enhance your pharmacy, optimize the stores, organize your medical records, and be the best in the industry. Shooter provides the industrial storage solutions with the state-of-the-art professional workbenches, compactors, vertical lift for sheet metal, rods and tubes and heavy goods storage, vertical pan carousels, mold racks, production-related utility trolleys, small parts cabinets and trolleys, bins, toolboxes, and filing cabinets. Now, gain better productivity at your workplace. Shooter resolves your concerns on the convenience of your employee. Be it a filing cabinets, desktop cabinets, and small parts organizers, Shooter's specialized product range is sure to attract everyone at your office. Now gear up the success of your employees with a better workplace. What's more, professional assistance in designing, on-time supply, quick and overnight installation, 5 years warranty, greater than 50% space saving, lifetime after-sales service assistance, AMC. Shooter, your challenges fuel our innovation.